हरि ओम। गीताभ्यासे 2-37 हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Wednesday, May 27, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamrutavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Hato va prapsi swargam jitva va bhokshase mahim tasmaduttishta kaunteya युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. पदच्छेदः. हतः वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीं तस्मात् उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. Now clause wise analysis. वा त्वं हतः स्वर्गं प्राप्स्यसि, त्वं युद्धं जीत्वा वा त्वं महीं भोक्ष्यसे. कौन्तेय कृतनिश्चयः युद्धाय तस्मात् उत्तिष्ठ. कृतनिश्चयः, कृतः निश्चयः येन सह कृतनिश्चयः बहुव्रीहि. स्टडी ऑफ दी सुबंतास. वा प्रातिपदिकं वा, जातिः अव्ययम्, प्रातिपदिकार्थः और, and because it is अव्ययम्, no detail of लिंगम विभक्तिः वचनम्. त्वं युष्मत् सर्वनाम यू, अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. हतः हत प्रातिपदिकम्, विशेषणं किल्, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. स्वर्गम स्वर्ग नाम हेवन, पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम्. महीम मही नाम अर्थ, स्त्रीलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम्. तस्मात् प्रातिपदिकं तत्, सर्वनाम दैट, नपुंसकलिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम्. कौन्तेय कौन्तेय नाम और विशेषण, सन ऑफ कुंती. पुल्लिंगम संबोधनम एकवचनम्. युद्धाय युद्ध नाम वॉर, नपुंसकलिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम्. कृतः कृत विशेषणं डन, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. निश्चयः निश्चय प्रातिपदिकम्. नाम रेजोल्यूशन, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. वर्ड्स मार्क्ड with asterisk are कृदन्तः. Note, tasmat is often used adverbially as hence. The epithet Kaunteya would be appropriate for Karna, Yudhishthira, Bhima also. Here it is for Arjuna. Now study of Tigantah. Prapsyasi, pra plus ap, पंचमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, to obtain. कर्तरि प्रयोगः, लुट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनम्. भोक्ष्यसे भुज, सप्तमगणीयः उभयपदी, अत्र परस्मैपदी, टू अवेल. कर्तरि लुट् लकारः विच इज भविष्यत्कालः, फ्यूचर टेंस, प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. उत्तिष्ठ, उत् अधिक स्था, प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, टू गेट अप. कर्तरि प्रयोगः एक्टिव वॉइस. लोट लकारः विच इज आज्ञार्थः इम्पेरेटिव, मध्यम पुरुषः एकवचनम. नाउ स्टडी ऑफ कृदंत. हतः, हन द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी. कृत प्रत्ययः क्त, हन त हत प्रातिपदिकम्. अर्थः किल्ड. जातिः विशेषणम्. कर्मणि प्रयोगः बिकॉज द कृत प्रत्यय इज क्त. लिंगम पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. जित्वा, जि प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. कृत प्रत्ययः क्त्वा, जित्वा जित्वा. ऑन विनिंग. अव्ययम्. कर्तरि प्रयोगः and because it is avyayam, no detail of lingam vibhakti vachanam. कृतः, कृ अष्टमगणीयः उभयपदी. क्त कृत प्रत्ययः क्त. सो कृ क्त कृत, डन. विशेषणम. and because it is कृत प्रत्ययः कर्मणि प्रयोगः. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. अन्वयार्थः. हतः वा हतः स्वर्गं प्राप्स्यसि वा. If killed in the war, you will attain the heavens. Jitva mahi bhokshase va. On winning, you will avail kingdom of the earth. Kaunteya tasmat yuddhaya kritanishchayah uttishtha. Hence, son of Kunti, get up with a resolve to fight the war. छंदो विश्लेषण. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम. प्स्यसि स्वर, and because of gam, स्व gets two matras. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीं. क्षसे म. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय. ष्ठ कौन्ते. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. तनिश्च. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. Notes of self-study. The thought हतः वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम is re-endorsement of सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः ईदृशं युद्धं यदृच्छया उपपन्नम अपावृतं सर्वद्वारम इव लभन्ते, which was mentioned in 232. For a soldier fighting a war, there are always two possibilities. He may be killed or he would be victorious and alive. He is defeated but stays alive is also a possibility, but not worth a consideration. In management parlance, there is a technique of SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats analysis for decision making when there are more than one options. So you do the SWOT analysis of all the options available. Here the SWOT analysis looks as below. So option is paryayah, strengths samarthyani, weaknesses daurbalyani, opportunities shreyansi, threats ashreyansi. Now first option is na yudhyati, does not fight. Ranat uparamate, stays aloof from the battle. Samarthyani, strength. Jivati, life is saved. Daurbalyani, na yashah kimapi kadapi, no chance of winning any time. Shreyansi, striha na dusheran, ladies will not suffer molestation. Na varna sankaraha, there will be no genetic mutation. Kuladharmaha jati dharmaha na utsadyante, age-old rituals will be abided by. Pitaraha pindodaka kriyaha labheran, forefathers may get salvation. अश्रेयंसि अश्रेयांसि बहुमतः भूत्वा लाघवं लभेत. अहिताः बहून् अवाच्यवादान् वदिष्यन्ति. Censure by ill-wishers, ignominy. Second option, yudhyati hanyate, fights but gets killed. The weakness is na jivati, but the opportunities, shreyansi, swargam avapsyati, attains the heaven, punarbha would be born again. So all is not lost in just in one life. The third option, yudhyati jayati cha, fights and wins. Jivati, stays alive. Sarvathaiva shreyaskaram. Mahim labheta, would rule the world. Guru hatya papam, that is a threat. Sin of killing respectable elders. The assessment of all this analysis becomes the opportunities listed against the first option, does not fight, leaves the battle, are valid. All the opportunities, Striyahana Dusheran and all those. Only if other people do not fight and the war does not happen. But if the other people fight and the war does happen, then all those Shreyansi, Striyahana Dusheran, ladies will not suffer molestation, no varna sankaraha, there will be no genetic mutation, kula dharmaha, jati dharmaha na utsadyante, age-old rituals will be avoided, pitaraha pindodaka kriyaha labheran, forefathers may get salvation. All these are not valid if other people fight and war happens. If war happens, there is no guarantee that these things will not happen. Although also the strength of that option, life is saved, is only for the person who leaves the battlefield. But that life of his is going to be so ignominious that living that kind of a life is meaningless. So the strength is no more any strength. With strength set opportunities of the first option thus being meaningless, Sri Krishna Bhagavan has detailed threats of the first option, not mincing any words. What are the threats mentioned? Bahumataha bhutva laghavam labhet, ahitaha bahun avachavadan vadishyanti, censure by ill-wishers, ignominy. What worse? With this assessment of the first option, it becomes very logical that Sri Krishna Bhagavan has dwelt upon options 2 and 3 in this shloka. Sri Krishna Bhagavan has also been telling Arjuna across 2-25, 2-26, 2-27, 2-30 how and why it does not befit Arjuna to be wailing in melancholy. Nanu Shochitum Arhasi. Option 3 will require that all the respectable elders, especially Bhishma and Drona, in the enemy camp be killed. In that case, the threat of sin of killing respectable elders is a valid argument. Sri Krishna Bhagavan has answered this rather philosophically by saying in 2-21, Katham sapurusha partha kam ghatayati hantikam. Does it really happen that anybody kills someone or causes someone to be killed? Also, jatasya hi dhruva mrityu dhruvam janma mritasya cha in 2-27. Death is certain for whoever is born and rebirth is certain for whoever is dead. I think that the SWOT analysis brings forth the scheme of the narrative of Sri Krishna Bhagavan in very proper and logical perspective. In a way, the SWOT analysis summarizes the essential points in the entire Prathamodhyaya and whatever is discussed up to this shloka in 2-37 of Dvitiyodhyaya. So it takes cognizance of almost the 47 shloka of Prathamodhyaya and 37 shloka of Dvitiyodhyaya, 84 shloka. Taken note of essential points summarized in some that simple tabulation of the SWOT analysis. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 at gmail.com. Shubhamastu.